Okay, boys and girls, now that we learned all about Chester and the kissing hand, we're going to make our kissing hand craft. So you have one large gray heart, two medium black hearts, three small black hearts, and two white circle eyes. Now, before we start our craft, we're going to write our name at the top. So a little poem to remember is, the first thing I do is always the same. I look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to write my name at the top. And I used my very best handwriting. And now I'm going to flip it over. I have my glue stick out, and I just put it up a tiny bit. We don't need to put our glue stick up too high. Our rule for glue is going to be just a dot, not a lot. So first I'm going to put the small black heart for his ear. One, just a dot, not a lot. Two, just a dot, not a lot. Three. So now I have his 1, 2, 3 small hearts glued. Now I'm going to take my medium-sized heart, and I'm going to do just a dot, not a lot. And I'm going to put these for his eyes. So I have 1, and then just a dot, not a lot. 2, and I have my 2 medium hearts glued on. Now, we're going to glue on his eyes. So again, just a dot, not a lot. 1, just a dot, not a lot. 2. Now I'm going to take a black crayon and draw small black circle eyes. And now we finished our Chester kissing hand craft. We're going to save this craft for tomorrow and add our writing.